Foods that detox liver naturally. Do you know? The function of your liver is to cleanse your body of unwanted substances. At times, this organ becomes overworked to the point that it no longer can function efficiently. Your health can be affected negatively when this occurs. The solution is, detox it. The best way to cleanse or detox liver is by natural means. Nature has provided us with an abundance of foods that naturally detox and cleanse our systems, helping us achieve balance. 1. Walnuts. Walnuts infuses the body with healthy omega-3 oils to assist detoxification. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric increases the liver's bile production. Bile is what the liver excretes to help the body digest food and absorb certain nutrients. This pungent spice also prevents toxic damage to happen to the liver. It also helps repair some of the damage that has been done already to this organ. 3. Red pepper. When it comes to cleansing, vitamin C is one of the cream of the vitamin crop because it transforms toxins into digestible material. One red pepper contains about 3 times more vitamin C than an orange. 4. Fresh fruits. Fruits contain antioxidants that keep free radicals under control and help not only liver to function correctly, but many other parts of the body as well. Free radicals left unchecked cause many different diseases including cancer. 5. Lentils. It is extremely fiber-rich. 1 cup cooked has 62.5% of your RDA. Lentils aids in toxin elimination, lower cholesterol, and balance blood sugar. 6. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants similar to fruits, but it also provides the body catechins. Catechins give your liver a boost so it can better produce bile and perform its other necessary functions. 7. Garlic. Garlic stimulates the enzymes in the liver vital for filtering out toxins from the body. This can be added to all sorts of foods from sauces to spread for bread. The added benefit of this food is that it is not only good for the liver, but also for your blood pressure. In addition, this food contains sulfur compounds similar to onions, cabbages, and broccoli does. 8. Turnip greens. It is loaded with antioxidants and sulfur-containing nutrients. Without sulfur, the body cannot properly detoxify substances such as pharmaceuticals, environmental toxins and heavy metals. Turnip greens also contain phytonutrients called glucosinolates that help activate and regulate detoxification enzymes. 9. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are not only high selenium and vitamin E, but also assist liver's detoxing capabilities and prevent cholesterol buildup in the blood and arteries. Be sure to choose organic as their high fat and oil allows them to easily soak up chemicals used in the production process. 10. Leafy green vegetables. Eat green leafy vegetables prepared in a variety of ways. Some people like them better raw, while other people place them through their juicers with other healthy ingredients. If you cook them, do not overcook them, because this destroys too many nutrients. These vegetables help to remove such toxins as pesticides, heavy metals, and herbicides thanks to the chlorophyll they contain. There are many types of vegetables to choose from in this group such as spinach, turnip greens, collards, and even dandelion greens. 11. Watercress. It keeps free radicals away from cells, energizes cleaning enzymes in the liver and is a natural diuretic. 12. Whole grains. They are full of nutrients and antioxidants. Whole grains are incredibly high in insoluble fiber, keeping you regular, which is especially important while detoxing. Whole grains help to supply the body with B vitamins, which help to break down foods in the body for energy. They also help to digest fat, which improves the functioning of your liver. These foods include oats, whole wheat products, and brown rice. You do not want to eat any grain products such as white rice or products made with white flour. These do not help the body in the manner that whole grains do. 13. Broccoli. It delivers a large dose of vitamins while neutralizing and eliminating toxins. 14. Grapefruit. Grapefruit lowers cholesterol, prevents kidney stones and aids the digestive system, which set it apart from the other citrus fruits. 15. Cucumber. On average around 95% water, this veggie helps flush out toxins and alkalize the body while delivering a powerful nutrient punch. 16. Lemons. Lemons have long been known for their liver cleansing ability. Many detox plans include lemon juice, along with other fresh fruits,